If you want to enable or disable parental controls in your Toshiba LED TV, at first you have to grab your remote control and then click on the home icon. Next you have to scroll down and pick settings, go for the system, and in this place you will find parental control, so click OK. You have to input the code. As default is set up on 4x0 or 4x1. Let's try with the 0, 0, 0 and the last one 0. Okay, as you can see it works. So here you can log the menu, majority, child, and you can set the different pin. So right here you can set the new pin. So for example, I'm gonna change to 1, 1 and 1, and you have to confirm with the same one below. As you can see, the pin code has changed, and for example I can enable this child lock option. After that you can just go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.